Hi there, it's Alex from WTI, and I had no idea how many cool things you can make with this jelly plate. And I need to make this clear, you do not need to have a creative bone in your body to have fun with this plate. I had a blast making some interesting and different prints. There's so many different techniques and projects you can do with this jelly plate. I had a really great time trying out different things, using stencils, trying to monoprint with a picture, layering different paints and creating texture. I love personally mixed media projects, and I really think that this plate can help with adding all kinds of depth and intrigue to your projects. I plan on using these prints to make greeting cards and maybe put some art projects to hang up on my wall. There are so many cool things that this jelly plate can help you create. I've been a crafter for years, and I can't believe I'm only discovering this now. And the fact that all you need to make these creative ideas come to life is the plate and some acrylic paint, and maybe a brayer. The plate is super easy to clean. I just use baby wipes, and it comes with a really nice plastic case to keep it clean and secure. Even if you have no idea what you're going to use this jelly plate for, I would just get it anyways, because you're definitely going to need it at some point in your crafting journey, and that's my point of view.